Here we go with DECK, Decker Outdoors, and what a nice drop. In fact, it's so nice that we've been waiting for a big drop like this for a while. What I am going to tell people is I'm going to put Decker in right here so you can see it. DECK. Now, it's a retailer, and look, it was an $84 close. This thing here is guiding downward, and let me tell you something. This stock here was long overdue because they had reached their points last year. Not only that, all of the retail stocks of late have been getting crushed. But nonetheless, we just hit $68 and it's bouncing to $72. And that's what they've been doing with these retail stocks. We're going to put some limit orders out there, $84.67. Previous day's close was $82.34. And the hours, after hours, right here, look at that big red bar. Right down to 68, and they're popping it every which way. As the emotions are running, we're going to buy that dip. So they bought that dip at 68. People wanted to own it at 68. People loved to own it at 68. And so they had halted the stock. They gave a shitty report. Excuse my language. A very unfavorable report for people that own Deckers. Now, we are going to say that this is going to be an ongoing trend in Deckers. So one of the other things that we're going to do is they made that $62 low or $68 low, and then they popped it right here. You can see it clearly. And so, yes, they take it in after hours. We know it's not good news, and then they buy it up. So it pays to buy these dips and sell those rips very quickly, and very quickly. That's how it's done. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put some short sells out there at exactly, so 84.67, so 82. We're going to put some shorts, and I doubt that it will go back up there, but we will put shorts out at $79.50. 79.5 here live in after hours with a big drop, and they are buying at $68 a share. It's still down $10, so it got oversold. So that's what we're going to be looking for in the morning on Deckers. All right, it's very clear that we got that bottom down here at $68, and this is that live action volatility on an earnings announcement on Deckers. I just want people to learn the new ones and whatnot, how that you can sell down there, and how, they pop these retails. They've done it all week long. Retailers come out, they miss, they give downside guidance, and then what do? They come in and they want to run these things higher. So we have a short out because we're putting it out there all the way back up to 84.50 because we got other guys that are shorting, and they're gonna hold it overnight. But the thing about it is, we are going to put our shorts up higher. This is the after hours action. So we can see where that big red bar was. Here's where it's trading. Here is where that we know that 3 minute was at 68. Then the next print was at 70 and some dollars. That was a $2 pop. So a lot of people that were short Decker, a lot of this move in after hours is buy to cover. And that's how you get these bounces, because people are taking profits. And then you got two kinds of buyers. One, a short seller has to buy to get paid, buy to cover, and then the natural dip buyer. Decker Outdoors is going to have a lot of challenges moving forward, and this is not the end of the story by any means.